Welcome to another Innovaphone myApps tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to easily manage and administer user permissions within the Switchboard app using the Switchboard Admin App, as well as how to edit your queues. After launching the Switchboard Admin App, you can search for the users you want to manage in the top left corner. By clicking on the desired user, the management options will be displayed. Under Rights, you can enable various functions for the user. With Edit Waiting Queues, you have the option to grant the user the rights to edit queues in the Switchboard app. These will be displayed to the user in the top right corner within the Switchboard app. Edit Presence includes the rights to adjust users' presence notes. To change such a presence note, go to the user's profile in the Switchboard app and edit the presence note in the text field. The changes are saved immediately and you can close the profile. With Edit Call Diversions and Mobility, Switchboard app users can be granted the rights to manage and adjust call forwarding for other users. Call forwarding can be adjusted directly in the user's profile. Below the permissions are the waiting queues. Here, the user can be permanently added to a queue using static. With Dynamic In, the user is in the waiting queue by default. However, the user can remove themselves by clicking the switch. With Dynamic Out, the user is out of the waiting queue by default and can add themselves to the queue. When set to Off, it is not visible and the user is therefore not in the queue. The Busy Lamp field can also be pre-configured via the Switchboard Admin App. A new group with a group name can be created using the plus button. The group can be deleted using the delete icon and edited using the pencil icon. Here, you can adjust the group name, add new users via the search bar, or remove existing members by clicking on them under the members list. All the way to the right, you can duplicate another user's Busy Lamp field or delete the entire BLF. A detailed explanation of how the Switchboard app works and how it can be used is explained in the previous myApps tutorial, which you can easily find on our website, in the Tutorials app, as well as on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have fun trying it out yourself.